Okay, so the next concept we're going to work on is imaginary numbers where I squared equals -1. And the first one we're going to do is the square root of -36. So we're going to go ahead and change that into the square root of 36 times -1. So that's the same as the square root of 36 times -1. And we know that -1 is I squared. It's like it has a new alias. So I'm going to go ahead and change the -1 to I squared. And now I can go ahead and take the square root of each part. The square root of 36 is 6. And the square root of I squared is I. So the answer to this problem is 6I. Here's another one, 4I times -5I. So all we're going to do is multiply the large coefficients and then multiply the two i's. So 4 times -5 is -20. And then I times I is I squared. Again, I squared is -1. So we're going to substitute that in. I have -20 times -1, so that is 20. So the answer to this problem is 20. Okay, here's one more for this section. I have 4I, that whole group squared times -6I. I like to go ahead and take care of the 4I squared. So 4 times 4 is 16. I times I is I squared, and I have that times -6I. I squared again is -1. So this is 16 times -1 times -6I. 16 times -1 is -16. Times -6I. So I need 16 times 6, which is 96. Negative times negative is a positive, and then I have my little I. So the answer for this problem is 96I. And there's the whole thing.